There, this is noodle for the Khao Poon. Look at this. I'm gonna eat a big bowl today. See this? This is my big bowl right here. Okay, maybe I'll just add a little bit more. There we go. All right, look at this broth. Ooh. Yeah, catch that. We got some big eggs in here. We got some regular chicken eggs. We got some meatballs.
I got some quail eggs. I'm also gonna put some big eggs in here. And there's also chicken in here. Yeah, look at that. Big eggs. Actually, I'm gonna take one more big eggs. Huh? Where's what called? Look at that. You see the bamboo in here. A little bit. But you see the broth? Look at that. Watch me mix it.
Hello, everybody. Today we are eating Khao Poon, however you say it. We got some eggs. You saw it in the video before. We got some eggs, quail eggs, chicken eggs, meatballs, chicken bone. Yeah, let's eat, bro. Let's eat. Yeah. Hopefully that's good. If not, don't poison us. No, not bad. It tastes a little different than what you make. You put less bamboo in here. Usually there's a lot of bamboo, but this time it's not. So when you put it in your bowl, make sure you have a lot of liquid, okay? What do you think, bro? Not bad? Not bad. Wait, so you wanted to eat this? You wanted to eat this? Oh, forget pho, right? This is actually better than pho. This is actually better than pho. Because it already comes with the taste, right? Ooh. Here's waters. I don't know why you put this green stuff in here. You eat yours or no?
Yeah, I do.
Thank you. Thank you, babe. They have finally served us water. We've been waiting for a while.
Thank you.
Okay, you know what? She got 2 bowls. She got 2 bowls, bro. This is about to be done already.
I'm almost done already.
I haven't touched the eggs yet. Let's see how the eggs taste. Quail egg. Fire. The meatball's good. Quail egg good. The noodles good. This is perfect. It's not sweet either. This is like, it's not plain, but it's not sweet or anything, you know? But the meatballs have a good flavor. So when you eat the noodle or anything and then the meatball, perfect. Perfect. Our mom cooked this. I could do better. I could do better, but it's okay. Next video, maybe I'll cook. The egg with the hey. Okay, if there's one Asian food you could eat, what would it be? Forever. What Asian food would you eat forever?
I love egg rolls.
So Chinese food? I say Japanese.
Really?
Sushi. We eat sushi.
That's good. That's good.
some good liquid or broth.
Very good, bro.
Don't get the core in your eye though. That would suck.
It'll burn.
Woo.
I am done. It is that good.
Pretty good, huh?
Yeah. Especially the broth. It is slightly salty and sweet. And it is just a good mixture of a small spice at the end as well. It's very good.
I wish I ate some more, but mom was charging me for each bowl. So we can't eat a lot more. But, so that was Capone. We both ate a bowl. Hella full, it was hella good.
That's not coronavirus. But yeah, let us know what you want to eat. Please subscribe and like to my channel. I mean, my mom's channel. And don't forget. Yeah, that's it. What do we have to say?
Thanks for watching.
Bye.